welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Audi. It's a year model 2012 and this is Q5 and I'm going to replace the cabin air filter. It's very easy and a simple process. I'm going to use this cabin filter and I will provide the link in the description in case if you want to change yours. Highly recommended you should change your cabin filter oftenly. It improves your air quality and also fights and prevents the odor inside your car. So let's get started. The air filter located on passenger side. So we're going to open up the passenger side door and it's located right under the glove box. It's right here. So we're going to open the tabs and once we're going to open, this will come down and then we'll replace it. I place the light here so you can see it. This is how the bottom portion looks and there are 3 screws. One here, one all the way back. And these are plastic screws. You just keep rotating this with the finger. You don't need any tool. Supposedly if these plastic tabs are broken, then you need a plier to pull it out. This is how it looks. So I'm going to remove the second one. So you remove the second one and the third one is right here. And once it's removed, then this is the foam piece and we're going to pull it out. Just pull it down like this. Very easy. Here it comes out. This is the filter. If you see this is a white plastic tab, you just slide it back. Just like that. It comes out of the groove and the filter falls down. And now you turn it a bit and you pull it. Look at how dirty the air filter is. And now we're going to get the new one. So this is the dirty one, we took it out. And this is the new one. And as for the orientation, it goes only one way. If you see the cut, it's very easy. When we're going to put it in, we're just going to slide it back in. We'll take out the filter and this is the way the orientation is. You cannot put it this way, it only goes this way. So you're going to go underneath. So once we insert it in, then you keep pressing on the side, just like this. Once it goes like this, now it's going to be straightened. So you put it up just like this. And if you look at this plastic tab, this one has grooves. So we're going to place it right here. Press it like this. Make sure there are 2 tabs, one in the middle, one here, and you press it. And that's it. That's how you install it. Now we're going to put the cover back with the screws on. So that's how it's easy and simple to replace your cabin filter on Q5 Audi 2012. And I would suggest, if you haven't changed it, please do so. And it's very inexpensive. And it's going to give you fresh smell inside your Audi. Thank you for joining my channel. And if you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.